Hello, and thank you so much for watching this video. I recently got an email from Lulu introducing their new notebooks, journals, and planners. And I got very excited. You can find it at journals.lulu.com. I got very excited because I had wanted to print a journal but didn't know how I was going to get those lined pages. So, glory of glories. They have templates for the interior pages of a journal. You can get them blank, lined, graph, or dot grid interior pages. They have planner interior pages if you want to make a calendar. They have the bundles, and they also have the cover templates. Now, I want you to see that they only have covers for 7 by 10, 6 by 9, and 4.25 by 6.875. Those are some very odd measurements for the pocketbook. So what happens is when you download the interior notebook or journal pages, they come in a different size. When you download them, they look like this. And if you look to the bottom left of the screen, you'll see that the measurements are 6.25 by 9.25. Unfortunately, this is a measurement that Lulu's new system does not recognize. They only print 6 by 9 or 6.14 by 9.14. It's called their Royal template. So it's either 6 by 9 standard or their Royal template. I didn't realize this until after I had designed my 100-page journal, spiral bound. So I had to figure out how to change the measurements in Adobe PDF so that it could fit the standard for Lulu and so that I could publish my journal. So here's what you do. You go under File, Print, make sure that under Printer, it says Adobe PDF. Click Properties. From here, click Paper Quality. If you're printing black and white or a color, if you have photos or something like that in your journal, you might want to stay with color. If you're just printing the lines or some text, then stick with black and white. Click Advanced. Right here where it says Printer Size, click the drop down. You want to click Postscript Custom Size. Click where it says Edit Custom Page Size. Here, for width, you want to put in 6. And for height, you want to put in 9. Click OK. Click OK again. And OK again. OK. So now you want to click Print. You'll need to save the page. Okay, so now you have a new document that is a copy of your original document. This is important because you want to keep your original document in that 6.25 size, just in case you need it. But if you had photos or black and white line art in your journal before you resized it, you'll need to go back and reinsert those photos. Trust me, because changing the size does something really funky to the print quality of your photos and of your images. All right, so that is how you use the journal templates and how to resize them so that they can actually publish to Lulu. So once I resized the pages, I was able to click the spiral bound option and go ahead and print it as a spiral bound book. And remember, do not click global distribution when you are trying to publish a journal, because it's in a format that is not eligible for global distribution. If you click global distribution, it will blank out the option for spiral bound, and most journals and notebooks are spiral bound. So make sure that you just click you want to sell it on the Lulu store, and then you will have the options available to click spiral bound. So those are just some tips for you if you plan on publishing a journal through Lulu. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much, and happy publishing.